Let's get right to it. Courses are not movies. When I watch a movie, I don't need to remember any of it. When you take an online course, you should remember a lot of it. You don't remember anything by watching courses like they're movies. I can't tell you how many times I've had people take my courses and then they tell me they've completed it in a week. Your goal isn't to finish the course. No one cares about certificates of completion. What employers care about is the knowledge you should have attained from those courses. Let's watch this clip. Just watch it.
Artificial neural networks use different layers of mathematical processing to make sense of the information it's fed. Often, an artificial neural network has anywhere from dozens to millions of artificial neurons arranged in a series of layers. The input layer receives various forms of information from the outside world. This is the data that the network aims to process or learn about. From the input unit, the data goes through one or more hidden units, or hidden layers. The hidden layer's job is to transform the input into something the output can use. The hidden layer is the computational layer. The input and output are not computational layers. They are simply layer to accept the data and output that data. In our diagram, the first layer shows the input layer. It's accepting data. It's accepting or being passed two pieces of data. The second layer is the hidden layer. These layers are the computational layers. The last layer is the output layer. It outputs the calculation done by the neural network. And our diagram represents the most basic artificial neural network that can exist. It is an artificial neural network with one hidden layer.
There was a short clip. What did you learn? Could you regurgitate what you've watched in the stressful environment of an interview? Let's try it without the stress of an interview. What's a hidden layer? What's the simplest artificial neural network? Is the output layer a computational layer? What is a computational layer? What's the input layer do? How many of you would have gotten these right in an interview? These are just a few of the most basic questions I'd expect any candidate applying for a machine learning job to know. If you can't tell me the most basic components of an ANN, then how on earth are you going to be able to handle the tough questions? Here's a hard question for you. Why is more data almost always better when building machine learning models? Seems easy, doesn't it? What's the answer then? More data is almost always better because the law of large numbers tells us the more samples you have, the greater chance you have at arriving at the truth or the correct answer. For the sake of your career, please stop watching courses and start studying them. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.